Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing authentication. Make sure you know your iPhone passcode or can use Face ID because Apple requires it for sensitive actions. Once ready, unlock the iPhone 13 and connect to the network so verification can complete. Open Settings and tap your name at the top to enter Apple ID options. This is the first actionable step toward changing or confirming account credentials. If you don't see your name, sign in with your Apple ID now so the next steps are available. Once inside Settings, you have two paths: to view saved passwords or to change the Apple ID password. For saved credentials, tap Passwords and authenticate with Face ID or device passcode. Then search for the account entry and tap to reveal the stored password. If the Apple ID password itself isn't stored, go back to your name, right arrow password, and security right arrow change password. You'll enter the device passcode and then type a new password, which resets access rather than revealing the current secret. To finish, confirm any password changes and sign back into Apple services where prompted. Make sure iCloud Sync completes. If verification fails, make sure your iPhone is online, use the trusted phone number or email for verification codes, and retry. If you cannot authenticate because you don't know the device passcode or have no trusted devices, start account recovery through iForget. Apple. Com from another device. This is slower but secure. Always use a strong new password and update saved password.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.